Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and healthy. Students, today your chapter 3 articles. You have already finished articles A and N. Today we will going to start our next article the page number 15. Here are some sentences. The book is very interesting. The red fort is in Delhi. The sun is shining brightly. My father has a laptop. He uses the laptop for this work. The cow is grazing in the field. Students, above all the sentences, the article is used for a particular place or thing. Like Red Fort. Red Fort is a particular monument. So, before Red Fort, use the article. Sun is also a particular planet, so also used the before sun. We use the when the same noun is used again in a sentence. For example, I bought a bag. The bag is very nice. Here in this sentence you can see the word bag is using two times. I bought a bag and the bag is very nice. In second sentence, it is describing about bag. So the particular word bag, we use article the. Now come to the exercise B, page number 15. So open your English grammar book, chapter 3, articles A and the, page number 15. Mention classwork. Date, today is 26/4/2021. Fill in the blanks with A, and or the. Number 1, Godavari is in India. Godavari is a river. We use the article before Godavari. Dog is running after the car. A dog is running after the car. Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Number 4, he ordered the pizza. Turn the page. Page number 16. He loves to read the Ramayana because the Ramayana is a holy book of Hindus and it is a particular book for Hindus. Number 6, sun rises in the east. We will use the article before sun. He went to a shop. As was tied to a tree. And as, because A is vowel sound, as, as, and as was tied to a tree. There is a basket on the table. Mother gave me an orange, and we will use an article before vowel sounds. Okay, now come to the next exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with A, an or the to complete the story. Here are some bulls, a farmer, a lady, well, tree, birds, sun, a house and two birds, grass. Okay. Look at the picture. Sun is rising. Sun is rising. The sun is rising in the sky. A bird is flying. How many birds are in the sky? Only one, na? So we will use article A. A bird is flying in the sky. A farmer is standing with two oxen. The farmer is taking the oxen for grazing. There is a well near a hut where the farmer lives. Bird is sitting. A bird is sitting on the ground. I repeat it. The Godavari is in India. A dog is running after the car. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. He ordered the pizza. He loves to read the Ramayana. The sun rises in the east. He went to a shop and as was tied to a tree. There is a basket on the table. Mother gave me an orange. See, the sun is rising in the sky. A bird is flying in the sky. A farmer is standing with two oxen. The farmer is taking the oxen for grazing. There is a well near a hut where the farmer lives. A bird is sitting on the ground. It is your classwork. Do it in your book. If you have book, you will do in your grammar book. Otherwise, you can use a rough copy for writing. Your homework is you will write exercise C in your language copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.